Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogtober. Today we're gonna be making this Halloween ghost. Look how cute he looks at night. He is so cute and I love the changing color lights. The only problem is he will blow away. So you do need something heavy to keep it in place. Okay, so I went to Lowe's. I was looking for a tomato cage. I was kind of nervous. I've never bought a tomato cage before, but I found them outside. Okay, so this is the rest of the stuff that I used. A hot glue gun, a sock, or you could use black felt, a styrofoam ball. I'm using a travel mug, but I was really looking for a witch's broom. I had to settle for the mug though. Then I have these lights that I found in the garage. So they're kind of old, but they still work. I found a fitted sheet from the thrift store for $3 and this witch's hat for $1. And then I was able to get the tomato cage for like $5. So I didn't spend very much and a lot of the stuff I already had. But look, these light up and they change colors and it's all battery powered, so I don't have to plug anything into the wall. I just have to take the letters off.
You're not afraid of the dark, are you? Are you? Are you? Are you?
Look at this. Look at this cup. It's cute. Thanks for watching. If you liked this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for tomorrow.